A little over 3 months since we've started the review, we have produced a 123-page meticulously sourced report. Our report concludes that had today's more robust civil rights laws been in effect in 1921, federal prosecutors could have pursued federal hate crimes charges against the perpetrators of the massacre, including both public officials and private citizens. In addition, if modern interpretations of federal civil rights laws had applied in 1921, police officers, public officials, and anyone acting in concert with them could have been prosecuted for willfully violating the civil rights of massacre victims. But few of these legal avenues were available in 1921, and any that existed were not pursued. Now the statute of limitations has expired for all federal civil rights offenses that the federal government could have pursued. Moreover, as best as we can determine, no perpetrator is still alive, and federal prosecution would almost certainly be foreclosed by the Constitution's Confrontation Clause, which requires the government to provide live witnesses who can be cross-examined by the accused. Such witnesses would need sufficient knowledge to prove a particular defendant's guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. We recognize that some may find it painful or dissatisfying that the department cannot now prosecute anyone for these heinous crimes. I certainly feel that way. But I believe that this review is nonetheless important and consequential. It corrects the historic narrative. It recognizes and documents the traumatic loss suffered by residents of Greenwood, and it puts the Department of Justice on record. While legal and practical limitations prevent us from prosecuting the perpetrators of crimes in 1921, the historical reckoning is far from over. If legal limits have stymied the pursuit of justice, work in the community continues so that future generations understand the scale and significance of this atrocity.